You guys had the questions and I obviously have the answers. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering you guys' burning questions concerning me and my trading journey. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, hello, my name is Terry and I'm a forex trader based in Accra, Ghana. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions from Instagram. I did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys if you had any forex related questions. I was shocked to find out that you guys really did have a lot of questions concerning my trading journey. I've already created a trading journey video for you guys and it's here on my channel. So if you still have any questions concerning that, feel free to check the link in my bio. I'm going to leave it direct there. Without any further ado, let's just get right into this video. So my first question on here is, have you ever thought of leaving trading? And no, I have not. Absolutely not. I'm not a quitter and I do not intend to quit. I don't believe there's anything too difficult for me to achieve once I set my mind to it. Those excelling at it don't have two heads, and that's the thing my dad always said. Those excelling at anything don't have two heads. They are just better at it because they keep at it. So I've never ever considered giving up on it, for real. So my next question here is, do you recommend learning to trade forex? Absolutely yes. I believe everybody should have some basic knowledge on the foreign exchange market. No matter who you are, it is easy. It is easy. And I say this to myself because it's actually a bit difficult. Everybody needs to have some basic knowledge on money and how to grow your money. If you don't even want the foreign exchange knowledge, it's going to help you in your knowledge when it comes to investing as well. So I would highly recommend you get some knowledge in the foreign exchange market, aka forex trading. And actually in this regard, I give all the kudos to European countries because they make it a priority to educate their youth when it comes to financial issues. But that's not the case in Africa. So whichever financial knowledge, except if you are strictly a business student, that's when you're going to have some financial knowledge. But me as a forex trader, I actually had basic education in the science and I was training to become a medical doctor, but here I am trading forex. So I didn't have any prior knowledge to the foreign exchange market. A couple of years ago, I had never ever heard anything about the foreign exchange market. So it was very difficult for me to get a footing when it came to learning how to trade. Yes, the little information you can get when it comes to forex is going to help you tremendously. So my next question is the get rich mentality and the trading plan. And if I understand your question correctly, do you mean the get rich mentality when it comes to learning how to trade forex? Is that what you mean? Because if that's what you mean, I don't think it's the best way to get into trading. You are just setting yourself up for failure, basically. Trading forex, day trading, is not a place to get rich quick. It's actually a place for you to learn how to invest or invest your money. My whole idea with trading forex is actually trading with money you intended to save. Trade with money you intended to save and not with monies that have pressing needs like your rent, guys. And when it comes to the trading plan, the fact of the matter is nobody starts off trading with a set trading plan. Your mentor cannot really create a trading plan for you. Your trading plan has to be designed and tailored specifically for you, your personality type, your risk tolerance type. You have to sit down and create your own trading plan yourself. They can only give you guidelines relating to how they did it and how they recommend that you do it, but you have to sit down and put in the work. And honestly, you're going to stare off your trading plan occasionally, and that's to be expected as a beginner. As you keep on making mistakes, you learn from them. That's why mistakes are there. You should always learn from your mistakes. As you learn from your mistakes, you tweak your trading plan and you fix what needs to be fixed in your trading plan and you stick to it. As time goes on, you're going to have a trading plan that is tailored to you and your personality. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. If you hear anything, my neighbor's kids are playing me, and I'm so sorry. Next question. I love your accent. Where are you from? I just mentioned that in the beginning of this video. So yes, I'm a Ghanaian based in Accra, Ghana, and that's how come I have this accent. So thank you so much. My next question is advice for 18-year-old traders. My advice for 18-year-old traders is the fact that you have time as your advantage. Time is your advantage, and you have enough time to learn, master, and trading is a skill just like driving, and as you keep on mastering it, it's not something you're ever going to lose. You can just pick up your phone no matter where in the world you are and still make some money. So have patience and don't gamble. So the next question is, how do you balance trading and other daily activities? I don't trade every day. I'm a very conservative trader, and I only trade when I see my setup. Actually, I trade between zones and I trade market structure. I'm really very patient when it comes to entering trades, so I do my best to wait for my trading setup to materialize, and I do wait for certain confirmations before I get into the trade. That usually takes hours, days. So once I get to that point, I know I've waited for something concrete. So however the market goes, I'm okay with it. And another thing that helps me is also setting alerts. I have the paid version of TradingView, so if you don't have TradingView yet, I'm gonna leave a direct link to TradingView. It's the best thing since sliced bread. TradingView, having the paid version of TradingView will change your trading game. Honestly, when it comes to back testing, when it comes to setting alerts and other cool features that TradingView has. This is not sponsored by TradingView in any way. I just think it's an amazing platform. Go ahead and click the link in my bio. So I do set alerts. When my setup is about to get to my zone, it's gonna alert me. So then wherever I am, I'm gonna pick up my phone or get in front of my computer or check where the market is at that current moment, and then I can get into the trade. So wherever you are, you're good. The next question, you haven't attempted my YouTube revamp yet. I actually know who this one is from, and I'm sorry, I'll get to it, guys. Next question, do you trade on MT4 or MT5? I'm an MT4 girl. I trade mostly on MT4, that is MetaTrader 4. I'm hoping you mean the platforms on which I execute my trades. So when it comes to that, I use MT4, not MT5, but with analysis, as I mentioned previously, I use TradingView. For the next question is, what's my favorite trading pair? And that is GBP USD, USD ZAR, and I love to also trade gold. The gold was inert. Those things that your parents teach you. My mentor, which is 𝐸𝐴𝐻, he's the market god and he only trades gold. So he did impact a lot of knowledge into me that has allowed me to be able to trade and not be too scared of, certain pairs. So that's how come gold is inert. Gold is just one of those pairs that I kind of have to be able to trade. So how long did you trade demo? How long did I trade demo? Yeah, then that's true. Okay, so I think I traded demo for about 3 to 5 months. That wasn't good. It made me so scared of losing money in the market. So I wouldn't recommend staying on demo for too long. Invest as little as you possibly can in the market and practice growing that by percentage, 2%, 3%, 4%, and also set daily targets for that amount. So let's say you want to double it within a week. Deposit about $10 and see if you can get that to $20 before you go in crazy with this whole thing. So yes, what is your best risk management tip? My best risk management tip would be not to move your stop loss once your trade is running. Don't move your stop loss, especially because you are overconfident in your analysis, you are overconfident in your trade. If you see that the market is reversing against you, don't move your stop loss further up. don't move your stop loss further up. You must have calculated your risk. You must have calculated the amount you're willing to lose while getting into that trade. And if 1% of your account is not something you are willing to lose to make at least 2 to 3% of your account, then that trade sounds to me like it wasn't worth getting into in the first place. So that's just what I would say for my best risk management tool. The second one would be, as I mentioned previously, calculate your lot size properly and know how much you are willing to lose in the market. My rule of thumb, I never go above 3% of my account. And that's just it. And that's just on period. I don't go above 3% of my accounts because I don't want to be overly scarred by the market. The market is the market and it will do what it will do. So I don't go into crazy. I mean, making 10% of my account per week or per month is not a bad bet at all. I wouldn't make up to that if I had invested that money in any bank. So what is your goal for trading in 2023? To be able to trade a funded 6-figure account is my goal for 2023. And this is actually targeted to be able to improve my life as a person and also to be able to give back to my people, give back to the community. And initially, that's why I started trading in the first place, to be able to give back. So yes, more so to be able to give back. And I've committed this into the hands of God. And whatever you begin in the name of Jesus is going to end gloriously. So that's a huge goal. Can I do it? Yes. Will I do it? Yes. So I'm putting that out there here for you guys so you can also keep me accountable. What books do you recommend for beginner traders? The first book I'm going to recommend to you, I'm going to pop them up on the screen, and that's The Richest Man in Babylon, Atomic Habits. I recommend you read a PDF on Baby Pips. Yes, Baby Pips has a free PDF on everything forex, so check it out. The thing about me is that I struggle when it comes to reading PDF. Let me get this for you guys real quick. This is the book. I printed out every single page so I could go through page by page and make sure that I have everything in mind. I also recommend that you read Trading in the Zone. I also recommend The Alchemist. I recommend you also read this book, The Forex Bible. And I'm going to actually upload the Forex Bible. Yes, I will do that. I'll upload the Forex Bible in a Google Drive, and I'm going to leave a link to it in my description box down below, so you guys should feel free to check it out. Do you trade during weekends and holidays? As I said previously, only if I see a setup, I will trade during the holidays. How long have you been trading? I would say I've been trading, I'll be going on 2 years, 2.5 years, or yeah, I'll be going on 2 years next year. So I've come a long way. So next question, and I think this is my last question. Trading as a female, how do you find it, and what would you change in a predominantly male industry? Oh my goodness. A lot of industries in the world is predominantly male, and that has not stopped any female from charting those waters, guys. And the females in the market are doing great work. So, but yes, being a female in a male dominated industry is not easy. It never has been, and it never will be. Most of the time you have to reach out to for help. You have to be reaching out to males, and frankly speaking, it's not mostly the easiest thing, but God has got us. God has always got us. As I previously mentioned, if you're a female in the forex trading industry, don't give up on yourself. It's difficult, but you can make it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video up until this point. So if you did find any value in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section down below if you like watching Q&A videos like this. I'd definitely love to see you in my next video. But until then, catch you on the flip side.